Welcome back to the channel JakeWorld035. Got a killer business idea and want to launch in the US? The US market is full of opportunity, but the legal and logistical side can feel like a maze. That's why I'm breaking it all down for you today. We'll cover every step: choosing your business structure, picking a name, getting your EIN, setting up your bank account, and more. Whether you're in the States or coming from abroad, this guide is for you. Ready to launch your company the right way in 2025? Let's dive in. First up, business structure. This choice affects your taxes, liability, and how you operate. Your main options: LLC, C Corporation, and S Corporation. LLCs are popular for new owners, offering limited liability protection and easy management. C Corp are best if you plan to go public or attract big investors, but they're more complex and taxed differently. S Corp blend features of LLCs and C Corp with liability protection and partnership-style taxation. For most new entrepreneurs, LLCs strike the right balance of simplicity and protection. But every business is unique. Consult a lawyer or tax pro if you're unsure. The right structure sets the foundation for your company's future. Don't rush this step. Think about your goals and growth plans. Remember, you can always change your structure as your business evolves. Make an informed choice now to save headaches later. Let's move on to naming your business. Ready? Time to name your business. You want something catchy, memorable, and, most importantly, available. Brainstorm names that reflect your brand. Check your state's business registry to make sure your top picks aren't already taken. Search for trademarks at uspto.gov to avoid legal trouble. Make sure your domain name is available. Use GoDaddy or Namecheap to check. Keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to your industry. If you can get a .com, grab it. A unique, available name sets you up for success. Don't skip this research, it'll save you headaches later. Let's get official and register your company. Now let's make it official. Register your company. Choose a state to incorporate in. Delaware is popular, but research what's best for you. File the required paperwork with the Secretary of State and pay the filing fee. Each state's process and costs vary, so check their website for details. Registration fees can range from a couple hundred to over $1,000. It's a small investment for legal peace of mind. Once registered, you're ready for the next step. Next, get your EIN, your business's tax ID. You'll need it to open a bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Apply for free on the IRS website and get your EIN instantly. Non-US residents can apply by phone or fax with extra documentation. Keep your EIN safe. You'll use it for all things tax and legal. Let's talk about the paperwork that keeps your business running smoothly. Time for the essentials: operating agreements for LLCs and bylaws for corporations. These documents outline ownership, responsibilities, and how profits are split. Not always legally required, but highly recommended to prevent disputes. They protect your limited liability status and clarify how your business runs. Get everything in writing now to avoid problems later. It's a simple step that can save you major headaches. Now let's set up your business bank account. Open a business bank account. Keep your business and personal finances separate. You'll need your EIN, formation documents, and ID. Research banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Silicon Valley Bank for the best fit. Some banks let non-US residents open accounts remotely. Keeping finances separate makes taxes and bookkeeping way easier. Don't mix business and personal money, it's a rookie mistake. Next, let's talk licenses and permits. Don't forget business licenses and permits. They keep you compliant. Requirements depend on your industry, location, and business type. Check federal, state, and local websites for what you need. Restaurants, online stores, and other businesses all have different rules. If you're unsure, consult a business lawyer or expert. Get this right to avoid fines or shutdowns. Now for the fun part: building your brand and online presence. Create a professional website with builders like Squarespace, Wix, or Shopify. Set up a custom domain email address for credibility. Invest in a memorable logo. Hire a freelancer if needed. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to track finances. Consider a virtual office address for privacy and professionalism. These essentials help you look legit and stay organized. Don't cut corners here. First impressions matter. Let's wrap up with taxes and compliance. Taxes. No one loves them, but you can't ignore them. File annual reports, pay estimated taxes, and keep accurate records. Your tax obligations depend on your business structure and industry. Hire a CPA or use platforms like Bench to stay compliant and maximize deductions. Staying organized now saves you from penalties later. Handle taxes right, and you'll avoid costly surprises. Starting a company in the US is a huge opportunity if you do it right. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and go launch your dream business.